Good morning, Friday. I'm having my breakfast. This is what I'm having. Special K Kellogg's red berries with honey buns of oats. There you have it. Two kinds of cereal. I put it in a bowl with whole milk with nuts and berries on it. This is my typical breakfast. Pretty soon, I'm gonna switch with my oatmeal during cold weather. It's really good, but this time I like it with cold milk because it's summer. All right, there you have it. This is what I eat for my breakfast. Cereal, nuts, and berries. Strawberries, cranberries, almond, pecans, walnut. There you have it. My typical breakfast. Special K and honey buns of oats. That's my kind of dry cereal. Okay, there you have it. Thanks for watching.